Every year, Apple tells us the new Pro is the best iPhone they've ever made. And every year that's technically true. But the real question isn't whether the iPhone 17 Pro is better than the 16 Pro, it's whether it's better in ways you'll actually feel. So let's break it down. Titanium, again, but thinner, lighter. As if Apple has been sanding away the last grams of excess. The camera plateau no longer sits as an island. It flows, redrawn into the body itself. And where the 16 Pro wore warm earth and desert light, the 17 Pro arrives in shadow. Deep blue, matte black, quieter, more serious. The soul is the same. ProMotion, fluid, alive at 120 Hz. But the 17 Pro reaches further into the light, around 3,000 nits at its brightest, a new anti-reflective glass that lets the world fall away. Step into the sun. Sunlight no longer wins. Under the hood, the A19 Pro replaces the A18 Pro. On paper, you're looking at roughly 15 to 20% faster CPU performance and a meaningful jump in GPU and neural engine throughput. RAM bumps from 8 to 12 gigabytes, which matters more for Apple Intelligence than for raw speed. Thermals are improved too. The 17 Pro holds sustained performance longer in demanding games before throttling kicks in. The main 48-megapixel sensor is largely carried over, but the ultra-wide steps up to a higher resolution sensor with better low-light detail. The big change is the telephoto. Apple's moved from 5x to a longer-reach periscope with improved stabilization and crops cleaner at intermediate focal lengths. Video gets a new ProRes RAW workflow and Genlock support for multi-camera shoots. For everyone else, cleaner low-light, better zoom, same excellent color science. The battery lasts longer, quietly, meaningfully longer. And when it does need power, it drinks faster. Wired, MagSafe, both pushed forward. Less time tethered, less time waiting. Time spent on the cable becomes time spent living. Apple Intelligence is where Apple is drawing the hardest line. The 17 Pro's extra RAM and upgraded neural engine unlock on-device features the 16 Pro simply can't run. Longer context Siri, live visual intelligence through the camera, and more capable image generation. The 16 Pro still gets the core suite, but several headline features are now 17 Pro exclusives. If you're on a 16 Pro, this isn't the upgrade. The phone you have is excellent, and the year-over-year gains are incremental. But if you're coming from a 14 Pro or older, or you care specifically about the brighter display, the longer telephoto, or the new AI features, the 17 Pro is a clear, confident step forward. As always with Apple, skip a generation, and the upgrade feels like an upgrade.